Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing good. In today's video, I will be going to discuss about the comments in Python language. So comments are really important for any programming language. So these are useful to understand the code and the flow of the code. So if you have written a code in a specific language and you want to uh, uh, make sure that the other programmers can understand it easily, then you have to add some comments in your code. So there are different methods to write comments in the Python language. So basically there are two types of comments in Python language. First of them is single line comments and second one is multi-line comments. So as from the name, we can see that single line comments are the comments which can be written in one line. For example, I want to this is a function. So this is a comment which is written in a single line. So every comment will be started by hash character, which is special character, and whenever you want to start write a comment, you have to start it from the hash symbol. So single line comments can also be written like you have to uh, if I have written a statement here to print a value, like I want to print my name here, and after the name you can write the comment after this statement as well. So this will be also be treated as a comment here. So this is a print statement. So if I run this, you can see that I have to save this file first. I'm writing this at comments in Python. Okay, so this is my file. So let's rerun this code here. So as you can see that the print command is executed, but the all of the commands which are started with the hash symbol are not printed. So it means these are the comments and these are only useful to understand the code. So you can write them on a single line and you can write after the code line as well. So these are the um, single line comments. Now we move to the multi-line comments. As from the name we can understand that the multi-line comments will be those comments which can be written in the multi-line. So if I want to write a comment for in more than one line, then it will be created as a multi-line comment. For example, this is uh, this is a Python language course. Now after the first line you can enter, and then we will be shifted to the next line and we can start the next comment here. This course is designed for absolute beginners. So as we can see that these lines, these comments are occupied in more than one line, so these will be treated as the multi-line comments. So there is another method to write the multi-line comments, which is to write triple quotes. So if we write triple quotes here, it will be okay. So whatever I write here, I have to Okay, so these are the triple line comments, and whatever I write between these commas, that will be considered as the comment. So if I write this is a multi-line comment and it is uh, being used by three commas. So as you can see, I can write anything here, and I can uh, write multi-line comments between these codes. So these will be treated as the comments here. So you can see nothing has been printed on the output screen except this print statement. So if I just erase this print statement as well, then you can see nothing will be printed in the terminal. So this will be the process to write comments in the Python language. I hope this video is useful